Alright, welcome back everyone to another episode of Corolla Customs, and today we're going to be doing a passenger side axle on a 2008 Scion TC. Alright, hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. What the heck are you waiting for? Alright, this video goes out to John Ballo. You know who you are. JD. So first, after jacking up the car and putting it on stands, you want to remove the passenger tire. Let's get this out. Don't lose them nuts, nah I mean. Alright, so what we do want to do is remove these two bolts from the strut. Remove this bolt for the tie rod end. The axle will pop down. Remove this nut. Push it out, the front end comes out, and then we'll make our way underneath the car. Alright, let's get started. So as we go under the car, we need to remove two 14mm bolts here, one over here, and then there's one on the top of this. And then this should just slide out. Make sure you have a pan underneath where the axle is about to separate, which is right over there. And the fluid will fall out, alright? Show you all. Alrighty guys, we are back. Here's the old shaft removed, and here's the new one. So I bought the new one with the bearing actually assembled on it, which is the smartest thing to do, so you don't have to press it in, it'll just be an easy fit. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is put grease around this area so it can slide smooth into the bearing housing.
Can I wipe my hands first?
Yeah. What John's going to do next is slide the axle bearing right into that housing over there. This housing. And then into the transmission. So let's get that done. So, John already lined it up into the transmission. What I'm gonna do is take a block of wood here and a hammer and slowly tap the axle in till the dowel and the two metal clamps meet in the middle. You'll see what I'm talking about when you try this on your own. Alright, so here John, do you want to give them an access look underneath of what I'm talking about? Little dowel pin you show them. All right, let me.
I can't see the pin. I mean, I can see the thingy.
The separation, right?
Yeah.
That's all I need.
To show them?
Yeah, I'm gonna show them while I hit it in.
While you hit it in?
Yeah.
How?
Is it getting closer?
Yeah, a little bit.
How about now? Anything?
It's a little bit closer.
A little bit closer?
Yeah.
Alrighty, after assembling everything, making sure that the axle is plugged into the transmission, make sure you look under the car and look for any signs of leakage. If there's any signs of leakage, stop the vehicle and see what went wrong and what you did wrong. Try to fix the problem right then and there. If everything is good and there's no leaks, put the car together and test drive it and hope for the best.
And all the lights are out at midnight. I'm alright in hindsight, 'cause all that's left here now is starlight. It's our lives in hindsight. And as I lay here in the street,